Okay, so you're trying to connect to a public Wi-Fi service, and you get this message after you've used it for about an hour or so. Complimentary session has expired. Purchase an access pass. Well, if you try to go for another complimentary hour, let's try it. Monthly complimentary sessions limit. Oh, isn't that sad? So what we're going to do is going to go to terminal. Actually, let me exit out of this terminal because I was just doing it again. Make sure. So what you're going to do now, you're going to go to terminal. Sorry, I just said that twice. You're going to have a terminal. It should have these two words on it. If it doesn't, well, it shouldn't be that big of a deal. So you're going to type in if config. Enter. Now, when you have if config up, you're going to look up, you're going to scroll up, and you go to N1. N1 is your basis for Xfinity or more public Wi-Fi services. Then you're going to go to see Ether. So this is your current one. This is your final MAC address. And what we're going to do, we're going to spoof it, which means we're going to change it temporarily just so we can, use the address yet again. So we're going to type in at the end. We're going to make sure you type it at the end. Sudo if config. Now, I don't know if you pay attention in school, but sudo means false. That means you're going to go into a false config. So sudo config. I'm going to go back to N1, so we're going to type in N1. Oops, space it first. N1. And you're going to type Ether, because that was the line. Of course, then you can type in anything you want. You can type, well, not anything, of course, but you're going to type in AABBCC E1F9. I'm going to type enter. It's going to ask you for a password, so you're going to type in your password. And then, well, there you go. So what we're going to do now is minimize that. I'm going to turn off Wi-Fi. And turn Wi-Fi back on. I know that sounds very tedious, but of course you're going to have to do it if you want unlimited Wi-Fi for free. Okay, we're going to type in, this is my Wi-Fi I'm using, but for the process of the video, we're going to show you how to do this. Now the Wi-Fi is going to pop back up for us, and then we're going to sign up. And now, once it opens, it's going to let us go for a complimentary pass. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in my zip code. And you go to email. You can type in. Funny thing about this is, for Xfinity, I don't know if you can do it with anybody else, but if it's Xfinity, you can do any kind of email you want. Like, watch. I can type in, let me think of somebody famous. I don't know. Ashton. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Stupid. Super Meat Boy. I don't know. At gmail.com. Okay, let's do that. Obviously, I don't own that. And just go to start session. And then you get your Dear Xfinity Wi-Fi trial. Then you can continue to the internet. And there you go. Simple as that. Just to prove that it works, google.com. There you go. You can go anywhere you want to now on the Wi-Fi. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you out. Have a nice day.